Hello friends, Jai Bhim everyone. Good afternoon. This is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, I came on the live for respond and talk about the issue. Friends, one historical judgment was delivered and sentenced by the High Court Justice Tukaramji. Really, friends, I am very happy and I am heartfully uh, issuing him about his justice. Friends, what is that? The High Court sets guidelines for issuing FIRs over social media posts. You know, one issue went on the bench. Two persons, one Nalla Balu versus the Durgam Sudarshan Gaud. Nalla Balu was a BRS activist and the Durgam Sudarshan was a Congress party activist. Nalla Balu, he was posted the one post on the Revant Reddy. What that who Revant Reddy, who which was he given the promises, why he hadn't fulfilled the promises, like that he posted the post on the social media about the matter. That went on the bench. The High Court Justice, he is sentenced to main one thing. He will not file the case on especially political post on the social media by the third person. Actually any issue broken, any issue have between the two person, who was hurted, who was defamed, who was victim person, he only eligible, he only responsible person to the file the case and give the complaint on the who was the accused person. That one is a rule. He was sentenced. Don't file the case by the third person, that not eligible. And if anyone hurt, actually anyone hurt, they only eligible, they only give the complaint. He sentenced. Really, I am appreciating to his justice, which was he sentenced, which was he delivered. And another one, he given the guidelines to the police official and judiciary officer. What that means, should be follow the ingredients. Which type of means, that one, that case which was filed case, which was given the complaint, that one eligible or that qualified, and such like which type of case, that's for should be inquiry, and should be set the preliminary inquiry on the case, on the issue. Otherwise don't file such type of case. And should be take the legal advice also. There was any violence, there was any public disturbance, there was any breaching of the constitutional article 19(1)(a). Depend on that article, there is any right to freedom of expression, any breach, any hurdle, any problem broken, should be considered, should be filed a case. Without legal advice, without preliminary the inquiry, won't file such type of case. Like that he given the guidelines to the police officials and judiciary officers. This is the and won't file the case mechanically and arbitrary, that not eligible, that not correct, like that he given the judgment and he given the justice to the civic body. So, everyone have the freedom of the expression and right to question, right to talk, right to express their freedoms. Everyone, all the civic body have the rights. That is why, in the any issue broke, any issue that broke and happened, only victim and accused, they only responsible person. That is why anyone get the any hurt and any defame, any problem, they only eligible for file the case. That one is a matter. Thank you friends. Jai Bhim. Friends, follow my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Jai Bhim.